Windows 11 is free, but its CPU might not be supported. So as you all know, Microsoft has launched Windows 11 yesterday. Microsoft Windows 11 hardware changes are surprising some. In this video, we will see why the Windows 11 may not be suitable for you. So, Windows 11 is arriving later this year as a free upgrade for Windows 10 users, but many are discovering that their hardware is not compatible. Microsoft has altered its minimum hardware requirements, and it's the CPU changes that are more surprising here. Windows 11 will only officially support 8th generation and new Intel Core processor, alongside Apollo Lake and newer Pentium and Carolyn processor. That potentially rules out that millions of existing Windows 10 devices from upgrading to Windows 11 with full support, and even devices like Microsoft's own Surface Studio 2, which the company is still selling right now for $3,499. Older devices that are not officially supported will be met with a warning during the Windows 11 install that the upgrade is not recommended, but the OS should still install. Windows 11 will also only officially support AMD Ryzen 2000 and newer processor and 2nd generation or newer EPYC chips. You can find the full list of supported processor on Microsoft's site. We will provide you the link below in the description box. So Windows 11 support for Intel. It will support Intel 8th generation Coffee Lake, Intel 9th generation Coffee Lake Refresh, Intel 10th generation Comet Lake, Intel 10th generation Ice Lake, Intel 11th generation Rocket Lake, Intel 11th generation Tiger Lake, Intel Xeon Sky Lake SP, Intel Xeon Cascade Lake SP, Intel Xeon Copper Lake SP, Intel Xeon Ice Lake SP. And here are the list of Windows 11 support for AMD. It starts with AMD Ryzen 2000, AMD Ryzen 3000, AMD Ryzen 4000, AMD Ryzen 5000, AMD Ryzen Threadripper 2000, AMD Ryzen Threadripper 3000, AMD Ryzen Threadripper Pro 3000, AMD EPYC 2nd generation, and AMD EPYC 3rd generation. Microsoft notes that CPU generation requirements are a soft floor limit for Windows 11 installer that should allow some older CPUs to be able to install Windows 11 with a warning, but it is not clear how this device will be supported long term. We have reached out to Microsoft to clarify its CPU requirements and support, and we will update you accordingly. Many Windows 10 users have been downloading Microsoft PC Health app to see whether Windows 11 works on their systems, only to find it fails the check, as the Microsoft now requires a TPM Trusted Platform module. This has led to some additional confusion around hardware support. Windows 11 will require a TPM capable of at least 1.2 support and UEFI secure boot. Both of these technologies are designed to improve the security of Windows and prevent malware and ransomware from tampering with encryption keys and other secure elements of the operating system. While Microsoft has required TPM support for OEM hardware certification since Windows 10, it has not actively required Windows to have this fully enabled. That's changing in Windows 11, and it means if your laptop or PC is shipped without this BIOS option enabled, then you are going to have to go searching for a setting to switch on. Director of Enterprise and OS Security at Microsoft, David Weston, explained, almost every CPU in the last 5-7 years has a TPM. Weston is recommending that Windows 10 users failing Microsoft Windows 11 upgrade checker requirements should ensure BIOS option for PTT on Intel systems are enabled, or PSS FTPM on AMD devices. As every BIOS has different settings, you might need to refer to your laptop's manual if you are struggling to find the option. If you have enabled TPM support but you are still not passing Windows 11 upgrade checker, it's likely because your CPU is not on the fully supported list. Intel has confirmed Microsoft's Windows 11 CPU requirements. A broad range of Intel-based platforms are expected to support Windows 11 8th generation and newer Intel Core processors, as well as Intel Pentium processors and Intel Celeron processor from the Apollo Lake generation and newer, says an Intel spokesperson in a statement to The Verge. This is the first significant shift in Windows hardware requirements since the release of Windows 8 back in 2012, and the CPU changes are understandably catching people by surprise. Microsoft is also requiring a front-facing camera for all Windows 11 devices except Windows PCs from January 2023 onwards. It's another change that will save on the hardware that Windows 11 will run on the oncoming years. So all the information and details about the Windows 11 and its hardware requirement is taken from the Verge website. You can read the full article on theverge.com. So this was all about the Windows 11 and the requirements for the installing Windows 11 on your PC. Although the Microsoft has launched Windows 11, but its hardware changes are surprising, and many users of Windows 10 may not be able to install Windows 11 on their devices because of these requirements of hardware. So what do you think about this? Comment down or below. On that note, thank you so much for watching. We will see you on the next technology video. Thank you so much for watching.